How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I have a bit of a surprise for you guys. In the last video, you guys watched me rebuild and put in the new motor in the truck, but you may notice that you didn't get any driving clips. Well, that's because I messed up. You see, I did a lot of things and somehow almost all of them went right. The one thing that went wrong, I put a torque converter in and I replaced some of the seals in the transmission and I didn't put them in correctly. And the torque converter and the fluid pump are now one piece. I'm here to present to you guys the solution to this problem. Introducing one of the best 4-speeds of all time in the cranny gear queen, the NP435! Woo! That's right, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to rebuild an NP435. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like down over there. Make sure to give it a follow right over there. And Alright, so today we are going to be focusing on the disassembly of the NP435. So this guy's supposed to just do that. Oh shit, okay. So there's your roller needle bearings. So it's like little pastas, little metal pastas. You guys want some metal pasta? Some little mac and cheese?
Case. And once again, kind of like the bearing.
Nothing makes me feel better than using my ex's bath towels as workshop towels. Just like disposable. I know she paid money for them and it's just like, ah. You know what I mean? Little rebellion. There's a lot of little spaghetti in here. You guys want some more metal mac and cheese? Stuck a magnet in there. Got some of the needle bearings. We also have part of the magnet, or sorry, part of the rear race right there, because the rear race kind of like blew the fuck up. I'm gonna go ahead and take the reverse idler gear out after, because I need to go get a brass punch. Other than that, we went ahead and got everything else taken apart, so you can see. So I guess the next step right now will be to clean the housing. This stuff, I mean, it was cutting through the oil, but it was just like really thick or something, I don't know. This stuff works, but at the same time, it wasn't like perfect, I guess. It also ate my brushes. Look at that. It ate my brushes. It ate my gloves. I had to go through 3 pairs of gloves. And all this splatter on my arm is like burning right now. I don't know if you can see. My skin is like turning red, so I'm gonna go take a shower because I feel like shit. All right, so before we continue, I just wanted to let you know I had a cold in the next clip, and a lot of this does not make sense, so sorry in advance. Yup. Just thought of something. The next person that opens this transmission is gonna get a cold. Don't touch my track, or you'll catch a cold. I am the leading designer in anti-theft. Yeah, definitely cut that part out. I forgot to mention, for reassembly, I'm going to be using this stuff right here, lube guard, assemble goo. I don't know if you guys can see it. And I'm also going to be using the remnants of the motor lubrication, this assembly lube right here from Lucas. This was really good stuff, and it's supposed to dissolve in the oil, so that's why I'm picking it. These fucking gloves are too small. Rotinder fish. Can you guys see the rotinder fish? Editor, zoom in on that rotinder fish. Look at that. Look at that little guy. Don't floss, by the way. If you ever meet me in real life, it's pretty apparent. But you know what? I'm flossing these fucking teeth. Maybe I'll floss tonight. I won't. Be lucky if I go to bed without smoking like the biggest known to man. I'm just a dumbass kid, and I got a big ass head. I'm always crying, I'm Caillou. You put the lime in the coconut. Jesus Christ, it's already fucking leaking. You must know it's going in forward. Next step, this closed end needle bearing. So it says to coat this with sealant. I have RTV. I don't know if that counts, but that's what we're gonna do. Does this count as sealant? You guys can let me know in the comments by screaming at me, "Oh my god, you're gonna blow up your transmission." And I can go, okay, don't care.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Alright, so before we continue, I just want to let you know the next few clips have some pretty phallic music playing in the background. It's really funny to listen to this stuff while you're trying to work on something because it's impossible to rage. Just look.
Oh, listen to this again.
What is this?
Nickel mode?
Asshole.
Wow. So I'm incapable of doing this. Yep. Cool. Good job. Thanks for being my muscle. So I can say goodbye to having any sort of monetization at all.
I go to fucking apply for like a sponsorship for the next video.
Yeah.
And I'm like, please look at my last videos. And they skip to this.
Nice start. Your start is the size of my engine. Huh?
Illegals in my yard. Illegals in my yard. 16 arrive in a stolen car.
When you're doing a clutch, how do you make sure that the flywheel like stays, or sorry, how do you make sure the like the clutch plate disc actually stays in place? What do you mean?
What do you mean stays in place?
Like it's wiggling all over the place.
I've seen some people not even use a key, they just fucking eyeball it. Eyeball it best you can, I guess.
I don't know how to eyeball it. I don't know what I'm eyeballing because I don't know what to eyeball.
Try to figure out what center is.
How?
Hope.
Over here having an existential crisis because I don't know what I'm doing. Got some 8-year-old in the corner.
Am I gonna be my mate?
I hope we get food now.
Let's get one more bowl and see them. It's not resting on one.
The last one is this one. Oh, and I put the fucking fork in front of it. Lunchtime!
Lunchtime.
Or that one will just be missing.
Yeah. I'm a boy. Tranny. Wow.
Okay, so that's unfortunately where the footage ends. So we finished getting that transmission in. It went in pretty easily. The transfer case went in even easier. I think we spent maybe 5 minutes on it. What took so long was getting the cross member for the transmission in. I'll be honest with you here, I did not remember how it went back in, and we spent way too long trying to get it in the wrong way, and I even cut it in half.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the?
My brain was like, oh, if I cut it in half, I'll be able to put the two pieces like bolted in together, and then I'll weld it in place. And then when I went to put the two pieces in, I went, this doesn't line up anymore. And I found out that if I just moved it underneath where like it was very easily going the whole time, it was perfect. So I had to weld it back up, and I basically cut it for no reason at all. So after we figured that out, we had to get the drive shaft in, and that was not easy either. Kai and I spent probably like 4 to 6 hours just hammering, trying to get the slider on the drive shaft to unlock and give us the length that we needed for it to reach both the transfer case and the rear axle. It took so long, and I am clearly weak, so shout out to Kai for hammering for like 4 hours straight. We went and took it out for a drive on my birthday the following like weekend, and then this happened.
That ended wonderfully.
Yeah, so as you can see, I fucking blew a head gasket. That was a very nice surprise. I have no clue why. I think it was just a bad gasket or just my luck. But don't expect a video on that because I already did it and the truck's running fine again, kind of. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like down there and subscribe if you like what you're watching. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.
This is really unfortunate, but also kind of cool. Like, I'll take the coolness points, but it does suck that the truck is dead again. So that's supposed to spin with the rest of the distributor, and it's not. You wanna know why? My motor sheared the pin that was in here. It was like that, and it sheared it. Isn't that crazy? Pray for my cam boys.